Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the video and destination URL. Make sure your file is MP4 or MOV and within Twitter size limits. This avoids upload errors. Next, host the link externally so it's shareable. A landing page or a short URL works best. Now open Twitter, click to compose a tweet, and attach the video file. Once done, plan whether you'll place the link directly in the tweet text or use an in-video call-to-action method for better engagement. You have two main paths: put the URL in the tweet text or bake the link into the video itself. If you choose tweet text, shorten the link to save characters and place it where viewers will see it immediately. If you prefer the video route, add an on-screen CTA during editing, overlay text, arrows, or a button-looking graphic, then export and upload. Make sure captions and timing match so the CTA appears when viewers are most attentive and likely to click. You're almost done. Preview the tweet on both desktop and mobile to confirm the video, CTA, and link display correctly. If your link doesn't unfurl or the CTA is misaligned, re-edit the video or try a different shortener. Sometimes cache or platform quirks block previews. Once posted, monitor clicks using UTM parameters or your analytics tool so you can measure effectiveness. If engagement is low, tweak CTA timing, language, or thumbnail and repost for improved results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.